students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So first question is, the type of lens used to correct nearsightedness is. Our options are convex lens, concave lens, bifocal lens, and convexo-concave lens. So our correct answer is concave lens. Why concave lens? If you have a nearsightedness, means you are able to see nearby object, but you are not able to see far away object which are far away clearly. Means if the object is far away, means the lines are almost parallel. The incident rays are almost parallel. So if incident rays are parallel, it is converging ahead of the retina. You are only able to see an image clearly when the image is exactly forming on retina. So this is the farthest point. If the object is at this distance, so if the object is at this f distance, then the image will exactly form on the retina. After this, the image will shift front. So if object is far from here, the image will shift in the front. So to shift this image back again, what we are supposed to do? See here, the straight image, the parallel lines is converging nearby. But see here, the diverging lines, they are diverging, right? Diverging away. They are converging exactly on the point. So what we will do? We will try to diverge this parallel line more. How we can do that? We will use a diverging lens. So one of our diverging lens is concave lens. So we will put a concave lens in between. So what it will do? It will diverge this parallel rays and then it will converge on the correct point, which is on the retina. That's how you will be able to see an image clearly. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.